So here we are in Sculpt mode, and I just wanted to show a little bit more about how arms came into play and some of its additional uses besides just simply making arms. So if we press Q, we can go into it, and we have options over here on the side for basically drawing on center, but first we have to draw the shape to begin with, and then from there we can actually hover over this option for center, and we hover over it again and we see that it goes away. And from here we're able to just simply snap to the center and begin working as if center is all that matters. And this really comes in handy for times where you just don't want to have to deal with these sort of things visually. So we're snapping to center, getting it just right, maybe scaling it down a little bit. And we see how the box appears whenever there's nothing to select, indicating that whenever I click, it's going to complete the operation. So from here, I could just simply press Q, and we could actually add a primitive, which we see the add primitive has the actual icons for center, circle, and box displaying from the get-go, but we could just hover over center, and here we're actually drawing the shape strictly snap to the center area, and we can hold shift in order to just basically scale this out. So something like this, to bring our shape in, we can press Q, go to add primitive again. This time we're back to double, or basically drawing with a mirror already intact. So from here I can just press G in order to just jump to grab, press F, adjust my focal size. And whenever I'm messing with this mode of the shapes not being voxelized together, I'll turn on the topological filter in order to get in and just make adjustments with each shape being taken into consideration individually, which is just a really nice way to control. Keep in mind, even though I'm in Sculpt mode, I'm actually using a mouse at this time, but no pain, no gain. Not saying that you should work with the mouse in Sculpt mode, just saying for this particular example, I am. So from here, we can just either merge everything together, we could press Control R, which will voxelize everything, sacrificing the resolution of our helmet a little bit, which I don't like. What I do want to do is actually tab into edit mode, and we'll just press L over each piece, press P to separate, tab back out. We're still in Sculpt mode. However, at this point, let's just firstly make sure we have only this piece selected. And I'm just going to deselect this area and bring it out. Give ourselves just a little bit extra on the next side. Then go back into Sculpt mode. We can press Control R, voxelize everything together, and just begin getting in and actually dealing with this. I'm looking at the time, of course. I want to make sure that everything is being kept timely. But if we wanted to continue on, we could just press Q.